Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. It is about 1:15 on Wednesday, January 22nd, 2024 or 2025. Dang, I'm still messing with that one. Messing it up. Anyway, good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Uh, had a bit of a water issue at the job last night. Didn't get to deal with this. So, yay, that. And I was messing with my computer. Coffee at this hour. uh, yeah, my first floor room had a sink that backed up and flooded the room. I'm guessing it came from above, overflowed the sink because of a clogged pipe. It's the only thing I can think. Anyway, they got it fixed and they're drying it all out now. So, oh, yay, that fun stuff. It is what it is. So, I didn't get to do this, and when I got to actually work with my computer, uh, its camera was all acting up. So I tried to do a few things to get that figured out. And I finally said, forget it, and completely uh, reinstalled Windows on it. And then that didn't fix it. Yeah. How does the camera have an issue after a reinstall? And then I reinstalled everything from a cloud base reinstall. So everything was downloaded and still had issues with the camera. I'm not sure what's going on. I think I'm going to download and do an install of it off of a USB drive. I don't know. Might need to take that thing apart and see what kind of hard drive it's got in there. If it's one of these MV2 thingies, I might just go ahead and give it an upgrade. That sounds like a good idea to me. I've been growling about it only having 256 gigabyte. Well, there you go. Drop a terabyte in there. And I've been testing my hard drive and or my SSD drive, the SSK uh, enclosure, and it gets hot, but not near as hot as it was. I can actually hold the thing, you know. I can hold it, but it is hot. So, yeah. And with me doing the speed test on it, it was slower than what it was. When I first got it and started running a speed test on it, the SSD drive was putting out 25, 26, 29, you know, and now it's putting out 2000, 2100. So it's dropped down, and I'm thinking it might have damaged the SSD when it was overheating. But yeah, right now it just runs warm. Well, a little hot, but it's not that hot. So I don't know. I might need to get a new SSD drive to put in there. Uh, we'll see. Anyway, but yeah, the laptop was acting weird. The camera was acting weird. It'd start up and it'd run for a few seconds and then drop, kick it out. And I ended up with like 10 different little 10 to 30, 45 second videos me starting to try, and I finally gave up on it. It is what it is. Anyway, the if I can do that with that little Huey, Chewy, whatever you want to call it, that pain in the butt computer, it's infected with China. Yeah. Or should I say it's a Chinese infection? Yeah. Had nothing but issues with that computer. And it's irritating. So I'm actually thinking I'm going to try to, like I say, do a reinstall on it and uh, do it off of a USB drive. I may get to that tonight. I may not. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, there's things on that aren't acting the way they're supposed to, and that kind of makes me wonder what happened. Okay, is it the camera just having a overheating issue or something? I don't know. Or is it actually something's got in there and is affecting my camera? Someone from China is controlling my camera. I don't know. Uh, quite honestly, that computer, I really do not like it. And contemplating getting rid of it and getting another one. Because, yeah, should have known better than to try some third party cheap China shit. And with all the things we got going on nowadays because of China, uh, hey, they kept TikTok at least for a few more days and see if they can, yeah. And how is having 50% ownership by Americans going to change anything to do with, oh yeah, TikTok being run out of China and them still running all your information through China, which they've been proven to be doing. So, yeah. Yeah, it makes you wonder between that and what they're finding out about the TP Link routers and all that other fun stuff. It's, yeah, there's a bunch of issues there. I don't know about you, but I'm really tired of having to deal with China, from Walmart, yeah, to China, to TP Link, to, excuse me, TikTok. My coffee's messing with me. So, yeah, what is up with all this? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to try to probably get in here and take that thing apart and see what kind of drive it has in it. If it's you know, if it's just a little SSD 2.5-inch job, I'll probably just swap one out. If it's one of these MBIs, I might upgrade to a bigger MB2, whatever it is. Yeah, the thing that's inside my SSK enclosure. Uh, we'll see. Haven't got that far. And since, hey, I've had it long enough, it's pretty much coming out of warranty if it's not already out of warranty. But hey, I don't trust them to do a warranty on it. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like with that little GMK Tech uh, mini computer. It's actually smaller than my mini Mac, but that company has been around and got a lot of good reviews. They take care of it. Uh, when I started having problems with the activation code for Windows. I got in touch with them. They asked me for, where's your proof that you purchased it? Here's my receipt. Okay, thank you, sir. Here, let me send this to you. You know, fast, easy, taken care of, and next to nothing. The biggest issue was the time it took because, oh yeah, they're on that side of the world, I'm over here, and yeah, it took a little bit of extra. Past that, they took good care of me. I'm happy with them. This Chewy computer, laptop, no. I am not happy with these folks. It's been a nightmare from the word go. It was supposed to have 16 gig of RAM. It's got 8. It was supposed to have 512. It's got a 256 in it for hard drive, SSD drive. Not good when, yeah. That just, I can honestly say Chewy has left a bad taste uh, with me. That computer has been nothing but a headache. So, yeah, I don't know. I might need to get in there and see if I can add RAM to it. Possibly it can be done. Most computers, PCs, are upgradable. Uh, Apparently, there's even an upgradable hard drive for the Mac Mini. Uh, they've got a 2 terabyte one out and a 1 terabyte one out, I think, that some China company has got out already. I don't know if I would want to go with one from China. Again, China. And, well, the little hub under my Mac Mini, my Wi-Fi goes dead when it's in the stand, the hub stand. So, yeah. But they're coming out with, well, not that company, but a different company is coming out with one that is 40 gigabyte transfer speed instead of the 10, which allows you to actually use the speed and use the SSD card that you can, or the SSD drive you can plug into it at real speeds. So, yeah, instead of dropping it down to a 10 gigabyte, 3.2. I am having fun dealing with the Mac Mini, though. I'm learning. I like learning. Anyway, I'm going to go try to get some sleep. Of course, I'm drinking coffee and I'm wanting to go to sleep. Yeah, right. I want to go to sleep. That's why I'm drinking coffee. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. Anyway, that was a little bit of my day, and I hope you've had a blessed day. I'm thankful for you to come along for this, and please, if you come along, subscribe, hit the like and comment button. And yeah, Don, I saw your comments. I think I even thumbed up one of them. I didn't have much time. I was trying to get to water stuff last night and all that fun stuff. I don't know about you, but life can be interesting at times. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Have a very blessed day. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family, and some more food. I'm fishing. Hey, fish is out.